So today we'll be talking about the different scales of measurements. So there are four types, which is nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. So let's start. So with nominal is a type of measurement which uses names or classifications on things. So an example of this would be like sporting positions. Like in basketball, you can be a small forward or shooting guard. For gender, you can be male or female, or different types of transportation, such as like cars, buses, bikes. Um, this is a scale that is very mutually exclusive on things, and it doesn't discriminate about size, order, or magnitude. If it falls into that group, then it's assumed that everything in that group has that trait. So with ordinal, it's a type of measurement which is based on rankings. So an example of this is like, let's say a race. It doesn't matter what the difference is between like first, second, or third places, because you place first, second, and third, that is your place. So, you know, no, let's say first place and second place, the difference was like 0.05 seconds, but the difference between second and third is 2.5 seconds, and the difference between third and fourth is zero point 0.2 seconds. It still wouldn't matter because they still ended up being first, second, third, and fourth. So with interval, it's a continuous number which pretty much happens in common in equal units of measurements. An example of this would be like the temperature scale. The starting point would be zero, and the zero represents an actual thing. The temperature can either be above zero or below zero. Okay? With ratio, it's the same thing as interval, but it has a true absolute zero. So zero is basically that's it. And then from there, it can only go up from there. An example, this would be looking at time, weight, or for example, you're doing the shot put, how far you can throw the shot put. An example with the true zero, it's possible to have like ratios too, which was like, let's say you're looking at someone's height, they could be like 6 foot, which is like 1.83 meters, or they can be 3 foot, which is 0.91 meters.